There was a wise king in a kingdom. He was very strict and known for his impartial justice. Once, a criminal had committed a crime. His crime was enough to earn him the death penalty. He was sent to the court of the king for punishment. The king looked at him and told that he had two ways to get punished. First, he could be hung by a rope, and second, he could go behind big, dark, scary, and mysterious iron door. The criminal once looked at the hanging rope and then at the iron door. He thought, who knows what is behind that scary looking door? Maybe there is some terrible wild animal behind the door which is hungry, or some kind of ruthless killing device. Who knows what is behind that scary iron door? Therefore, it is better that I choose to die by hanging. Finally, the criminal accepted to die by hanging with a rope. As the noose was being slipped on him, a curiosity arose in his mind. He turned to the king and asked, "Sir, by the way, I am curious to know what is behind that iron door." The king laughed and said, "You know, it is very funny. I offered everyone the same choice, and nearly everyone picks the rope." Listening to this, criminal curiosity increased, and he said, "Sir, please tell me what is behind the door. Obviously, I won't tell anyone because I am going to die," he said, pointing to the noose around his neck. The king paused for a moment. Then he got serious and answered, "My friend, behind that door, it is freedom. If you had selected that door, you would have got freedom. But it seems that most of the people are so afraid of the unknown that they immediately take the rope and choose to die." If we see in our lives, we will find that we miss a lot in life because of fear. Due to fear, we are deprived of getting many things in our life. We live our whole life in fear. The fear of failure, fear of losing something, fear of dying, fear of future. The fear of failure does not let us move forward in life and does not allow us to be successful in life. The fear of losing something does not allow us to get something new. The fear of dying does not allow us to live life to its fullest. It is this fear that forces us to always choose the wrong option. So, throw this fear out of your life and bring the virtue of fearlessness in your life. If you want to live your best life, then you must embrace the freedom of picking new choices. Because, after all, it is these new choices which can open the door to your ultimate happiness. Therefore, always remember that opening up doors to the unknown is the only and best way to ensure that you are headed towards new and best opportunities, freedom, growth, and a greater joy in the life.